Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life. So in this video, we are going to know about how you can get a data analyst job from scratch. And if you don't have any offers, or if you're really preparing for data analysis and you're feeling stuck that even if you learn things, will that really going to get you a job in the industry? So most of the people come to me asking that how should they apply? What is the process? How to get it? So there is one way that obviously LinkedIn, I have gotten around 5 job offers till now, and I could say that LinkedIn was really useful, and all of them except for one, which was from Naukri. One was from Naukri, and all the offers were from the LinkedIn only. So LinkedIn actually works, but depends how you use it. So there are ways wherein you can find the jobs. So there is one thing that is job section. Obviously you can easily apply, or you can directly apply to the company websites. And if you have not thought about it going to a company website, so I must tell you that most of the company hire, but they don't really post on LinkedIn. So what you can do is you can get a list of the companies that is hiring for data analyst role. There are many companies: Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon, Google. These are the big ones. And then we have companies like Adobe. Adobe is also a bigger company. And then we have companies like Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Accenture, Deloitte, KPMG. So these are the good companies as well. So here you can also apply. So going to their career portal, you can search these companies' career portal, and you can find out the jobs that are for the data. Sometimes the jobs are not clearly mentioned that it is the data analyst role. It could be operations analyst, business intelligence analyst. There are hundreds of names that you can find out. So you can go to the job description and see if that really matches the job that you are actually looking for is. So then you can apply. Then there are other ways as well. So what you can do is you can actually network with the people. I have around 7,000 plus followers on LinkedIn, and most of them are the recruiters. Basically recruiters. I have been following a lot of recruiters, and a lot of recruiters follow me as well. So this is the way, the way you connect with the people on Instagram or Facebook. Similarly, you can connect with the people on LinkedIn for jobs prospect. So my networking skills says a lot. I network with a lot of HRs. I have numbers of them, and whenever a vacancy come to me, I refer to my friends, because I don't really need it, but I have people who actually require the job. So I can refer those people because they are literally looking for an analyst role, and they are also hiring for this. So it's like demand is there, but you are not reaching the right person. Reaching a right person is the clear-cut way of getting the job. So yes, I get a lot of mails on LinkedIn. So I directly get a mail of a lot of recruiters saying that they are hiring for the Salesforce marketing person, Salesforce admin, Salesforce BA. So I get those emails every now and then. And if you want to do that as well, so you have to connect with a lot of recruiters on LinkedIn. So that is also one way. Then there is a platform called Naukri, where you have to update your profile every now and then. And there are a lot of sections wherein a lot of recruiters are not exactly hiring, but there are companies that may hire in future, like in 4 to 5 months. So you can share your interest there. So there is another way on Naukri that you can do. So it's not generally limited for the data analyst role. It is for any role that you are looking for. So these are all the tips and tricks that you can do. I feel networking is the most powerful tool that you could use in your job search process. And then there is applying to a company portal, which hardly people do. So getting a job offer or job interview call is extremely easy there. So you can do that as well. So I hope all of these tricks are really, really useful. If you want a list of companies that hire actually for the data analyst role, I can share you, but do write in the comment section below that you are wanting that list, so that I could prepare that list and I could share with you. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any query, suggestion or doubt, you can write in the comment section below. I would highly appreciate your time in writing such comments. Bye bye for now, until we meet next time.